All right, guys, we have a 1996 Impala SS, 56,000 miles on it. Really nice car, presents well cosmetically. Didn't really see any really dings in it. I walked around it pretty good, didn't find anything. A few little cosmetic swirls from wiping over time. Really nice car interior wise. I'll pop into the interior and show you the seats. Everything in here is pretty solid. The only thing I will say is that for whatever reason this dash right here keeps going out. So you can kind of see the miles. You can make that out. It's showing 56,000, but it's really dim. But other than that, really nice car, cold AC, walking around. Wish I could tell you there was way more to report on this one, but like I said, it's a really nice car. We're going to list this one for $24,995 with 56,000 miles on it. Can't wait to see where it goes. Thank you.